allow yourself to take a couple of minutes to come fully in the present moment, to connect deeper with your own self. Bring your attention to your breath. Watch your natural incoming breath and outgoing breath. The thoughts come, the thoughts go. And you can just watch. You don't have to become it. We all have thoughts, but we are not those thoughts. Similarly, we have feelings, but we are more than those feelings. Step into this part of you where you are just present, where you are not identified with anything. Allow yourself to just feel this presence. As you notice yourself in this way, allow yourself to intend to say that I'm going to be not judging any aspect of myself. This presence that you're holding for yourself is non-judgmental, loving, compassionate presence. This is also the quality of presence that I'm going to hold for the students, for others, now as I step into this role. Have a wonderful day.